Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need administrator rights to control system services. Once you have them, open services. MSC directly. Start by pressing Win, type services. MSC and press Enter or press Win plus R, type services. MSC and run it. If you prefer command line, use an elevated PowerShell or CMD and run get service to list services or SC query for the same. Make sure the account is elevated so start/stop commands will succeed. Otherwise, you'll get access denied when you attempt the next steps. You'll now control the service. In Services, MSC, find the service by name, right-click and choose Start or Stop. Note dependencies may prevent immediate action. Once done, check the Dependencies tab and ensure dependent services are running or stopped as required. If you prefer commands, open elevated PowerShell and run start service name or stop service name. Restart service restarts cleanly. For scripting or remote tasks, use SC start service name and SC stop service name. Complete the task by confirming the service shows running or stopped in services. MSC, make sure it stays stable after you change it. If the service fails to start, open Event Viewer and Review System and application logs for specific error codes and messages. Those tell you why it failed. Also verify the service's log on account, dependencies, and executable path. Incorrect permissions or missing files are common causes. One quick troubleshooting tip. Run the service's executable manually or check its config to reproduce the error and gather details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.